Hi kids, today we are going to learn about vehicles. Let's start. Bicycle, bicycle, moped, moped, unicycle, unicycle, kick scooter, kick scooter, 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 skateboard, skateboard, bus, bus, car, car, truck, truck, auto rickshaw, auto rickshaw, police car, police car, horse carriage, horse carriage, motorbike, motorbike, airplane, airplane, racing car, racing car, jeep, jeep, taxi, taxi, cycle rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, sports car, sports car, school van, school van, ATV, ATV, fire truck, fire truck, ambulance, ambulance, tour bus, tour bus, tractor, tractor, garbage truck, garbage truck, mail truck, mail truck, tow truck, tow truck, delivery truck, delivery truck, SUV, SUV, cableway, cableway, gondola, gondola, trolley bus, trolley bus, train, train, refrigerator truck, refrigerator truck, cage truck, cage truck, tricycle, tricycle, water tanker truck, water tanker truck, water taxi, water taxi, ice cream truck, ice cream truck, pickup truck, pickup truck, mobile crane, mobile crane, semi trailer truck, semi trailer truck, fuel tanker, fuel tanker, snow remover truck, snow remover truck, car carrier trailer, car carrier trailer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.